स्वरा भास्कर, तुम पाकिस्तान चली जाओ, तुम्हारी जगह वहीं पर है।
I'm a big Barack Obama fan.
ओके।
Obama, I love him.
स्वरा, तुम एक्टिंग छोड़कर पॉलिटिक्स में चली जाओ, कांग्रेस विल गिव यू अ टिकट।
अर्नब गोस्वामी।
ओके।
बहुत नॉइज पोल्यूशन उन्होंने कर दिया इतने सालों में। हमारी पॉपुलेशन 1.3 बिलियन हो चुकी है। सो और ये वीरे दी वेडिंग के पहले था। ट्रोलिंग इज सो सिमिलर एज आई नो।
गालियां हैं सिमिलर।
I can see hate coming from Israel also now. Hi, this is Swara Bhaskar and you are in the right place because you're watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the like button.
Rapid fire with Swara Bhaskar. If you could ask following people a question, what would you ask them? Rahul Gandhi.
I'll ask him why he doesn't roll his sleeves up because his sleeves are always down and I feel that he should really that it'll fall much better. His clothes will fall much better if he rolls his sleeves up. That's what I would ask Rahul Gandhi.
If you could ask a question to Kanhaiya...
And I don't think he's Bappu. I would tell him that.
Okay. If you could ask a question to Kanhaiya Kumar.
Kanhaiya is a friend and I would ask him to lagao the Azadi ka nara once again because I think the energy with which he does it is just amazing.
Okay. If you could ask a question to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal.
I just ask him, sir, how are you so simple and so down to earth? And how is it that people attack you so easily? Like, where is your security?
Okay. If you could ask a question to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru if he was alive today.
Why did he unleash such violent military action in Telangana on the farmers who were protesting there in 1948? Because they were protesting for their lands and for zamindari to be abolished, which is exactly what the Congress government was doing at the center. So why did he unleash this really, really violent military action on the poorest people of this country? I'm sorry, that's I know it's a very blasphemous thing to say maybe, but I just read this in a book I was reading and I couldn't believe it because I really admire Pandit Nehru. As a politician, as a leader, as a statesman. And when I read this, I really felt heartbroken. He was a socialist.
Right.
And he was a man who believed in equality and who believed in the rights of the underprivileged. And yet he allowed this horrendous military action in Telangana.
Who's your favorite politician and why?
My favorite politician and why, I would say is...
Alive or maybe not alive?
Alive. If it's not alive, then Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela. Because I think that the manner in which they... kind of could lead so many people and still stick to the values of non-violence is amazing and never slip into this politics of hatred. I think that's huge. And if you tell me today, I really admire, on the basis of the work that is being done, I really admire Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia ji because I'm from Delhi and I feel that they really are doing some very good work in Delhi.
Health and education.
Health and education, especially schools and mohalla clinics. I'm a big Barack Obama fan.
Okay.
Obama, I love him. I think that it is just amazing how that man handled himself, how he led that country, even though race is such a problem. He just became this amazing figure. And I love how even after he's not the president anymore, he hasn't been like, okay, chalo chutti. He's like there, he's actively there in his country and he's trying to do something new. He's getting young people together. His wife, hugely inspiring woman, Michelle Obama. So I think I'm a big Obama fan, both the Obamas.
Okay, how would you react to, in one sentence, to following comments that you hear on social media, that you read on social media? स्वरा भास्कर, तुम पाकिस्तान चली जाओ, तुम्हारी जगह वहीं पर है।
अरे पाकिस्तान भी नहीं चाहता मुझे अभी, तो मेरे पास अभी कोई चॉइस नहीं है। जब तक कोई दूसरा देश नहीं मिलेगा, ये कमेंट आप मत थिंक ऑफ अ थर्ड कंट्री एंड देन राइट द कमेंट।
स्वरा, तुम एक्टिंग छोड़कर पॉलिटिक्स में चली जाओ, कांग्रेस विल गिव यू अ टिकट।
आई डोंट नो अबाउट हु विल गिव मी अ टिकट, बट अभी मैं आई थिंक कुछ साल में मेरे पास है एक्टिंग करने के लिए।
ओके, वीरे दी वेडिंग जैसी फिल्म्स लड़कियों को बिगाड़ देती हैं, ये भारतीय सभ्यता के अगेंस्ट है।
देखिए, जब भारतीय सभ्यता को रेप जोक्स वाली फिल्में और स्टॉकिंग को रोमांस दिखाती हुई वाली फिल्मों से कुछ नहीं हुआ। मुझे नहीं लगता कि 4 लड़कियां थोड़ी शराब पी लें, थोड़ी सिगरेट पी लें और थोड़ी सेक्स की बातें कर लें तो कुछ खास होगा। एंड मे आई जस्ट रिमाइंड यू कि भारतीय सभ्यता जो है, हमारी पॉपुलेशन 1.3 बिलियन हो चुकी है। सो और ये वीरे दी वेडिंग के पहले था, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि वीरे दी वेडिंग से कोई खास असर पड़ रहा है किसी चीज पे।
ओके, इफ यू मीट गॉड एंड कुड मेक वन रिक्वेस्ट टू हिम, what would it be?
I'd say, God, please, can there just be, I don't know, can there be less hate in the world? Like, can you just make human beings less hateful as a race?
All right, if you can describe yourself in 3 words, please.
Hyper energetic, confident,
Okay.
and I'd say good at heart.
All right.
At the
Okay.
end of the day,
If you could, what would you change one thing about Bollywood?
I wish Bollywood could be more imaginative and with everything. Like I wish they wouldn't. We think. I feel we in Bollywood think in boxes, typecast actors, typecast films, formula films. I wish Bollywood would actually just break the various boxes that are in its imagination.
Okay. If you can change an event from history.
I can't answer this question
Why?
because it'll be taken wrong. But I really feel that one of the biggest tragedies of the subcontinent is the partition of India. I really believe that Indians and Pakistanis are basically one people. We were one culture. We are one. We belong to the same like family of humanity. And I think that the partition was. It's very unfortunate that it was born from hatred and from a politics of fear. And unfortunately, you know, the worst happened, which is that there was this fake divide that was created, and then it's just become this political enmity, and it just goes on and on and on in different ways. Even though there's so many examples to show that actually people on both sides are really friendly towards each other, and there's a lot of warmth, there is a lot of hospitality. Our problems are so similar. Our humor is so similar. Our trolling is so similar, as I know.
गालियाँ हैं similar.
हम एक ही लोग हैं यार. हमने बहुत ही fake boundary बना दी. The other historical tragedy is Palestine. Is the invasion of Palestine by Israel and the creation and the forcible sort of taking away of the lands of the Palestinian people and the displacement of the Palestinians, the continuing occupation of Palestine, the wall that has been built. That is another politics of hatred that just doesn't end. So that is my second.
Okay, if you could put yourself in a Bollywood.
I can see hate coming from Israel also now. लेकिन वो हिब्रू में टाइप करते हैं तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, so I don't care.
If you could put yourself in a Bollywood classic movie.
I say Mughal Azam.
Okay, as well.
I love that. As Anarkali.
Oh, okay.
Come on. Anarkali आरा में कर चुकी हूँ. मैं real Anarkali बनना चाहती हूँ. I love that film. I think it's one of our most. I don't think we've topped that in the historical genre.
All right. If you can put an end to something.
I would put an end to the lynching related to cow lynching and mob lynching that is happening in our country. I think there's no place for that in a civilized society.
Okay. If you could make someone mute.
Arnab Goswami.
Okay.
Listen, he deserves to be mute. It's okay.
Definitely. I think I knew the answer before.
बहुत noise pollution उन्होंने कर दिया इतने सालों में.
If you could change one thing about media.
I wish they'd get out of Godi. I wish the media would stop being a Godi media.
If you could meet a historical figure.
It has to be only one person.
We'll settle for one. If you have more, we can.
I would want to meet Bhagat Singh.
Interesting.
And I'd like to meet the writer George Eliot. She's my favorite writer.
Oh,
and she was a George Eliot. She was a woman. Unka pen name tha George.
People confuse in T.S. Eliot and George Eliot.
Yeah. They do.
Okay, yes or no following statements. Have you ever wanted to become a politician?
Not yet.
Have you ever?
That's not a yes, that's not a no. I'm leaving it open.
That's like a politician. That's like a politician. Have you ever left cinema hall midway?
Never.
Never in the
Never. Never. Worst of films that I can't bear, but I sit through them because I'm like, यार इतनी respect देनी चाहिए. मैं भी इसी industry में.
Wow. Have you ever refused a role offered to you and then regretted?
No. The only role that no, not really actually. I've never, because जो roles मैंने मना किए या नहीं मिले मुझे, actually मना तो कितने ही करे, but जो मेरे को नहीं मिले, मना भी किए, वो फिल्में इतनी गंदी निकली कि I was like, thank God बच गए.
Have you ever made someone deliberately cry?
Not deliberately, but I made my cousin cry in some family trip because she was behaving like a real brat, and I kind of yelled at her, and then she started crying out of anger. But she yelled back at me, so it was fine. I think I've once or twice I scolded my staff and they started crying because they felt very upset. But yeah, I'm a real loser because मैं गुस्सा होकर पे sorry बोल देती हूँ 1 घंटे के अंदर, मैं खुद ही. जबकि मैं actually मुझे लगता है मैं सही बात कह रही थी, लेकिन क्योंकि सामने वाला रो दिया तो फिर मैं सॉरी बोल दी. ये सोशलिज्म के और भी प्रॉब्लम है ना, ये तो घर के अंदर सोशलिज्म चल रहा है और टीम में सोशलिज्म चल रहा है.
जी. Following things, hot or not, politics.
Yeah, always hot. Boiling hot. Scalding.
Debates on news channels.
Not. I don't watch TV. I don't watch news.
Feminism.
Hot, always.
Elections.
Too many. Yeah, hot. But relevant, so क्या करें अभी वो तो we have to follow.
EVM.
Disaster.
So hot or not?
This is, well, I mean,
Not.
yeah. It's a big mess. EVMs. I don't know. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't know whether one should believe it or is it a conspiracy theory. I'm not clear. Seems like a mess.
Okay. Sonam Kapoor.
Hot, always hot, sweet. She's like Chinese.
Social media trials.
Not,
Not.
and wrong. I'm saying even if the people I don't like, I don't feel that social media trial hona chahiye logon ka. Hi, this is Swara Bhaskar and you are in the right place because you're watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the like button.